There are some crazy things happening in the crypto market. Look at this. Ethereum just broke all-time highs, and it is headed, according to this article and a bunch of analysts and experts, to $14,000. That is absolutely crazy. And not $14,000 a couple of years. No, we're talking a couple of months, maybe 30 to 60 days. Not only is that happening, but Shiba Inu is setting up for a massive run. We are forming this inverse head and shoulders, which I've shown you guys many times on this channel, which is a very, very bullish pattern. And look at this, Dogecoin is also setting up very, very strong. So we have so much to talk about. Make sure you watch this video until the very end. We have so much in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It is ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Smash up the like button and blow up the comments if you love cryptocurrencies. Let me know what you guys think below. And if you want to get access to those trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon right now for only $10 a month. But I do have other tiers, other memberships within the Patreon to help build you a portfolio, to go over your current portfolio on the phone personally with me, so we can see what things we need to move around so that you could be making the most money like all of my Patreons right now. Make sure you also follow my Instagram and Twitter. The links for the socials will be in my video description below. And if you want to get those 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300, use my WEBULL link right now. Sign up using that link, deposit $1, and they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. So right now we are seeing Ethereum break all-time highs. We are nearly $4,600. This is huge, guys. This is absolutely massive. Now, what's really interesting is if I look into the charts, we are seeing the Bitcoin dominance go lower. So Bitcoin dominance is going lower because the institutional money is slowing just the time being for Bitcoin. But I told you guys, look, even though Bitcoin is going up and Ethereum and everything is going up, I told you guys the month of November is going to be very, very bullish, and some huge things are going to be happening this month. I am very, very excited. Let me know in the comments below what cryptocurrencies will perform the best this very month. But if Bitcoin dominance continues to lower while Bitcoin goes up, that means that Ethereum is going to be gaining on Bitcoin for some time, maybe a couple of weeks, maybe a month. The institutions and a lot of people are going to be focusing on Ethereum, pushing Ethereum to next heights, because right now Ethereum does not have any level of resistance, which means that we are in price discovery mode, which also means that there is no limit to how high Ethereum right now can go. And based on all the bullish things that are happening for Ethereum 2.0, there's all these huge upgrades that are happening in just the next couple of months, and even we have an update coming here very soon. This is going to propel Ethereum to the moon. Let me know if you agree with that in the comments below. But I did tell you guys just a couple of weeks ago, it was probably even last week, I said, look, Ethereum is going to make a massive move. And let me show you this next move for Ethereum. So we're looking at $5,200 for this next very short move. But if I actually zoom out of the charts, I can really, really show you guys where Ethereum is headed. We called out this cup and handle a couple of weeks ago while Ethereum was forming, and I said, guys, Ethereum is about to make a huge move. We put buy alerts in the Patreon, and now we are up huge in Patreon just the last week, the last couple of weeks, and even a couple of months ago, we have hundreds, even thousands of people that bought Ethereum at $1,600, $1,700, $2,000, and now they are sitting on huge gains. Look at this. So Ethereum, the next move for Ethereum, the next big move to complete this cup and handle is going to be $7,000 in the $7,000 price range. And then we might see a little bit of a peak, a little bit of a pullback before heading up even further. And just to finish talking about Ethereum, look, this analyst says that Ethereum, this next move, because Ethereum is moving according to how it moved in 2017, that this next move can push Ethereum to the $14,000 range. Yes, you heard it right, $14,000. This was a very price prediction that I've been talking about for many months on this channel, that I think around December, we could see Ethereum 10, 12, up to even $15,000 on the higher end, but Ethereum could definitely get much, much higher than that. So Ethereum right now is at Bitcoin prices last year. These were the prices that Bitcoin was at. And look, a year later, Bitcoin was $4,500. Now a year later, we are looking at $64,000 for Bitcoin this very moment. Things are getting crazy. Now look at this. We're going to take a look at coin market cap. We're just going to see what's going on with the whole crypto market. Guys, cryptos are almost $3 trillion. The whole market cap for cryptos is nearly $3 trillion. This is absolutely huge. This may be the all-time high for the cryptocurrency market cap. Now what we are seeing right now is the last 7 days. Ethereum is up 10%. We have Binance Coin. Binance Coin is coming out of nowhere, just very, very, very consistent. And the last time we saw Binance Coin pumping like this, it broke all-time highs and had seen some crazy numbers. So I will be letting you know in the Patreon as well if you should be getting into this. Cardano is actually going down. This is very interesting to see Cardano just continue to go down and look dead. But if we look at the Cardano chart, a lot of us are always asking about Cardano. This is one of our favorite cryptocurrencies. We bought this thing super cheap in the Patreon. We bought Cardano at 98 cents. We were buying Cardano at $1. But look at this. Cardano has these very similar pumps. With these very similar pumps, it goes down for a little bit and then has massive pumps. So Cardano, I am not giving up on Cardano. Cardano is still very, very bullish to me, even though it's kind of dying down. It's in this little bit of a bear market, but I'm not going to be selling my Cardano at any point, because as soon as you sell the cryptocurrency that looks boring, it's not doing anything, boom, it goes up 40%, 50%, and then you are screwed. So getting back into this, what we are seeing is Solana actually is looking very good. XRP, Polkadot, up 15% the last 7 days. Polkadot is destroying it right now, breaking all-time highs, and we have been buying Polkadot also in the Patreon for many, many months, and even the last couple of weeks. So congratulations if you bought Polkadot. Dogecoin is up 7%, so Dogecoin is kind of holding up a bit strong. Shiba Inu is still up 50% the last 7 days, so Shiba Inu is outpacing all of the cryptocurrencies in the top 10. And looking at Avalanche, I believe Avalanche is actually setting up for another big move as well. So the whole crypto market is looking overall very bullish, and I'm super excited. Let me know what cryptos you are excited about in the comments below. Well, look at this. The Miami mayor plans to accept the next paycheck entirely in Bitcoin. This is huge. We are seeing just people all around the world, companies, countries, businesses accepting and getting their involvement in Bitcoin. And we were just in Miami this past weekend. It was great. So Miami is becoming a crypto city. Hopefully Miami will be just like Dubai. There's a lot of crypto traders, a lot of crypto people in Dubai. There's also a lot of people in Miami. There's all these events, there's all these conferences happening over and over again. Miami is going to become the center, the hub of cryptocurrencies in the future. What do you guys think about that? But now look at this. Even Nike is getting involved. Look, Nike is getting involved in metaverse and cryptocurrencies. The metaverse is coming, guys. The metaverse is going to be huge in the future. This is amazing. And also look at this. Activision, Disney, Lucasfilms, they are getting into NFTs, NFT powered video game. More cryptos, and that's all of course on Ethereum. That's absolutely crazy. So it's just every single big name is getting involved in NFTs, getting involved in metaverse, getting involved in cryptocurrencies, which all of these things, pretty much mostly every single one of them, runs on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you're not getting involved, if you don't have any Ethereum, you definitely should consider getting into Ethereum for sure. And remember, none of this is financial advice, it's just my own opinion. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the crypto market. So what we are seeing is that Bitcoin is now fulfilling. Yes, we need to look at Bitcoin because we need to understand the strength of the market. How strong is the market? Now, the strength of the market is very, very good. If I zoom out to Bitcoin on the daily time frame, what we are also seeing is this cup and handle play out. This was the cup and this was the breakout of that handle, but we can also even change the pattern to see this another cup and handle happening right now. So what this actually means is that Bitcoin is gearing up for its next big move, which means that when Bitcoin pumps and goes to 70,000 next, when it goes to 80,000, 100,000, it's going to bring in the retail investors. It's going to bring in the hype back to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. And this is very, very exciting. So Ethereum, very bullish. Bitcoin, very bullish. Shiba Inu is actually incredibly bullish too. A lot of people are asking me, Myles, how is Shiba Inu? Well, if we take a look at the charts, just like I was showing you in the beginning of the video, we are actually starting to see an inverse head and shoulders starting to play out. An inverse head and shoulders where we have the head here, we have the two upside down shoulders, which basically shows a bullish reversal signal. So we could get a major pop here very, very soon. And what is also very important to see for the Shiba Inu price is that Shiba Inu is actually ended up breaking out of this symmetrical or descending triangle pattern and following a strong consolidation. So we may be getting a bounce here very, very soon for Shiba Inu, and I will be watching closely to alert you guys when to buy and sell this thing because it is setting up massively. Now we're also going to be taking a look at Dogecoin here. So Dogecoin, if we zoom out, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What we are seeing for Dogecoin is a beautiful consolidation range in a higher range. Look, this was the boring consolidation range for Dogecoin. It pumped up. Now look, we are much higher. So the consolidation range, this is how Dogecoin works. A lot of times what it does is pumps up, consolidates, pumps up, consolidates. So it's going to stair step its way up to the moon. Let me know if you guys believe that. Also, Mana is actually setting up, look at this bullish flag for Mana, but we need to be very careful with Mana. It just pumped up so much. It is consolidating at this high range, which means that we could get another massive breakout for Mana. So I will be watching very, very closely for that. Chainlink is also setting up very, very nice. We see this W pattern here, which means that we are most likely going to get a very bullish bounce for Chainlink. So keep an eye on Chainlink. And Solana, look at this. Solana is coming up to test the all-time high right this very second. I believe we actually just broke it, and most likely Solana is going to have a massive, I'm telling you, a massive move. The next move for Solana, if you watch very carefully, look at this. Solana could definitely easily come up and test $280. So I think Solana is headed to nearly $300 in a very, very short time. So you don't want to be missing out on these cryptos that I do alert you in the Patreon when to buy and sell, because you don't have to watch the charts. I let you know what to do all of that because that's my job. So if you got something out of this video, make sure you smash up the like button, get those WEBULL stocks. Let me know what you guys think about in the comments below, and I will see you all tomorrow.